Check in. No, so I caught up in some work. Caught up in some whole heap of work and me not even get to make no video nor nothing yet. From morning. I first video this. I'm go to Portmore, I go buy one more sheet of ply because to the amount of things that I do. Yeah. But me I show you what me do right now. See that? A window box me I make. And I saw you have to do it. See that? The box I make it, you know. I just one sheet, I just apply. And I saw you have to do it. You have to do that. Forget the shape of the window. And me I use the carrier. When I new car, me I use it as a mold. Cause the other car they a color shop. I put color on it. And a difference, and I see a person when spray my car a spray. Somebody else a spray that one, yeah. Yeah. So that is it. That's with it. The box, me I show you the top box. I almost finished. See top box, eh? Do some filler work on them. So I go sand them down and them thing there. But Carly said they finish, I just sand them down and paint them. That left to do to them. But me I go and work over here so I cool. I go and do them too. Make it two window box until such time. You know what I mean? Good. Yeah. Done work for the night, you know. I show you how I go on. Yo, I can't really video and show you everything. Because I can't video and work at the same time. Because I'm alone I work. But this is a window box. Yeah, I put one more coat of paint on them. That one I top box. In so now, I put in a one color. I'm not supposed to have an idea of the color there because I see them color in use all the time. Yeah, man. Them are kind of dry. Top box are kind of dry because I paint them the long time. Yeah, man. They're dry, man. Yeah, they're dry. But them there, just paint them a while ago. And I go up on the street. See how weird on one corner, I put the car them in the car, I don't want them fumes up on them thing there, you know. But I go up on the street with the car right now. I go for a little drive. Yo. Yo, hold on. I'll show you what I'm going with them there. Yo, we'll go for the car, but here want me, you know, the car don't spray. The car look good. But here what I'm going, you know. We want him put him back setting them. Put him back light them and them thing there night. And clean up, put him back in mud guard and them setting there before. So we not really collect it from him yet. We are carry back again tomorrow. Make him finish up everything. And one the glass man put him back the two glass them. But it look good.